In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Expedia trip to Google Calendar. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in just a few minutes. Start on your computer using a web browser. Open the Expedia website and make sure you're signed in to the account where your trip is saved. Once you're in, head to Your Trips and open trip details for the itinerary you want to add. This is where you'll see all the specifics of your flights, hotels, and any activities you booked. Now look for a button or link that says Add to Calendar or Export Itinerary. The exact wording can vary slightly, and it may appear near the top of the page or alongside options like Print or Share. Click that option. When you do, Expedia will generate a file with the ICS extension. An ICS file is a standard calendar file that most calendar apps understand, including Google Calendar. Your browser will usually download it automatically to your default downloads folder. If you're prompted to save it, just choose a location you'll remember. Next, open Google Calendar in a new tab. Click the gear icon in the top right to open Settings. In the left-hand menu, go to Import and Export, then choose Import. This is where you'll bring that ICS file into your calendar. Click Select File from your computer, find the .ics file you just downloaded, and select it. Before importing, choose which calendar you want to add the trip to. If you keep separate calendars, like one for personal events and another for travel, make sure you pick the right one so everything stays organized. When you're ready, click Import. Google Calendar will process the file and add the events. You should see a confirmation message showing how many events were imported. Your Expedia trip is now in Google Calendar. The dates, flight times, and hotel information appear automatically as events, and they'll be placed on the correct days. If your itinerary includes multiple segments like connecting flights or separate hotel stays, each one will show up as its own event. Take a quick look through your calendar to confirm everything appears as expected. Time zones are typically honored by the ICS file, but it's a good idea to glance at the event details if you're traveling across regions. That's it. You've exported your itinerary from Expedia and imported it into Google Calendar, so your trip details are easy to find alongside your regular